Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by securing a dust-free workspace and wearing nitrile gloves. Once done, wipe both glass and substrate with 99% IPA until dry to remove oils. This guarantees adhesion. Make sure to pre-align the tempered glass using a jig or masking tape guides so the first glue placement is precise. Prepare a 13 ml UV glue syringe and purge a tiny bead to confirm smooth flow. This prevents air pockets at application. Now position the pieces and hold steady for the pour. You dispense a steady bead of UV glue at the center or along the lowest edge so capillary action draws it under the tempered glass. This minimizes trapped air. Once the bead touches the gap, gently lower the glass, do not slide, and allow the adhesive to spread. If bubbles form, tap the glass lightly and use a syringe to apply slight back pressure at the bead to coax air out. For stubborn microbubbles, a brief low vacuum cycle before curing helps eliminate them and ensures full wetting. You begin with a short tack cure. Expose edges 10-30 seconds to prevent movement, then remove clamps and inspect gaps. Once alignment is confirmed, perform a full cure with a calibrated UV lamp at the glue's specified wavelength and intensity for 60-180 seconds to reach full strength. Make sure to cure in overlapping passes if the lamp beam is narrow. If you see haze or uncured spots, reopen slightly, reflow adhesive into voids, and recure. If problems persist, replace the glue to avoid weak bonds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.